Okay, here find the advent of the matrix here. It is a matrix of order 3 into 3. 3 row and 3 columns here. So previous rule not applicable here. Okay, in previous rule means if a matrix of order 2 into 2, then interchange diagonal elements and the change sign of the non-diagonal elements. It is only for 2 into 2 matrix, not for the other matrices here. Okay, the matrix of order 3 into 3. Therefore, take a given matrix as A. Find the cofactor of each element here. Therefore, A11 here. Okay, 1 plus 1, 2, even number, take care plus n. Okay. Then deleting the first row and the first column. Delete the first row and the first column here. These are the remaining elements here. So write determinant. This is the important here. It is a matrix and here it is a determinant. Deleting first row and the first column. 3, 5, 0, 1 here. So 3, 5, 0, 1 here. This is a determinant. Remember it. This is a matrix and this is a determinant here. Then expand this determinant here. 3 into 1 becomes a 3. So it is a 3 here minus 0 into 5 becomes a 0. 0 into 5 is a 0. So it is 0. So 3 minus 0 is a plus 3 here. This is a cofactor of this element here. Then A12 is equal to deleting the first and the second column here means you write the cofactor of this element. This is in the first row, second column here. Therefore A12 here. 1 plus 2, 3 odd number, take care minus sign. Deleting the first and second column here, take care determinant. Deleting the first row, second column. 2, 5 minus 2, 1 remaining elements. 2, 5. So write a 2, 5 minus 2, 1 minus 2 plus 1. Okay. Therefore this is equal to minus of. Minus sign is that. Take in the bracket here. 2 into 1 becomes a 2. So write here 2 minus. Okay. And 5 into minus 2 becomes a minus 10 here. 5 into minus 2 is a minus 10. And here already minus sign is there. Minus into minus plus. So plus 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So this is a minus of 12 here. Minus 12. Then A13. A13 means a cofactor of this element. This is in the first row, third column. First row, third column element here. Therefore 1 plus 3, 4. Even number. Take a plus n here. Determinant deleting the first row, third column. Deleting the first row, third column. Remaining element 2, 3 minus 2, 0. So 2, 3 minus 2, 0. Okay. Therefore this is equal to expand it here. 2 into 0 becomes a 0 minus 3 into minus 2 is a minus 6 here. Minus and this minus plus 6. Therefore this is equal to 6 here. Okay. Cofactor of these 3 elements here. Then we'll find cofactor of these elements here. This is in the second row, first column. Okay. Therefore A21. 2 plus 1, 3 odd number, take a minus sign here. Determinant of. Okay. Then deleting the second row, first column. Deleting this second row and the first column here. Minus 1, 2. So write here minus 1, 2, 0, 1. So 0 and 1 here. So this equal to minus sign is there. So write here minus 1. Minus 1 into 1 becomes a minus 1. Minus 0 into 2 becomes a 0. It is a 0. Therefore minus 1 minus 0 is minus 1 itself. Minus of minus becomes plus here. So it is a plus 1 here. Then A22 here. A22 is equal to 2 plus 2 even number, take your plus sign. So determinant of deleting second row and second column. means cofactor of this element. This is the second and second column here. This is the second and second column. 1, 2, minus 2, 1. 1, 2, minus 2, 1 here. Minus 2 plus 1. Therefore, 1 into 1 becomes 1 here. Minus 2 2s are 4, minus 4. Minus because minus sign here. 2 into minus 2 is a minus 4. Minus and this minus plus. So plus 4 here. 4 plus 1 becomes a 5. This is a plus 5. Then find the cofactor of this element here. This is in the second or third column here. So A23. A23 here. 2 plus 3. Odd number. Take care minus again. Take a determinant. Deleting the second row and third column here. 1 minus 1 minus 2 0. So 1 minus 1 here. 1 minus 1 minus 2 0. Minus 2 0. Then expand it here. Outside minus sign is there. So write here minus into bracket. 1 into 0 becomes a 0. Minus. Minus into minus plus here 2 ones are here. It is a 2. Then minus into minus plus. Therefore this is a plus 2. Then find the cofactor of these three elements here. So this is in the third row and the first column here. A31. A31 here. 3 plus 1 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. So write here plus again. Determinant of. So deleting third row, first column. These are the remaining numbers here. Minus 1 2. Minus 1 plus 2 3 5 here. So 3 5. Then this is equal to 5 into minus 1 is a minus 5. So write here minus 5 minus 3 2 is 6 here. So write here 6. Minus 5 minus 6 becomes minus of 11. Then A32. A32. A32 means cofactor of this element here. This element in the third or second column here. 3 plus 2 5. Odd number. Take care minus sign. Determinant here. Deleting the third row, second column. 1 2 2 5. 1 2 2 5. Therefore this is equal to minus of 5 ones of 5. So write here 5 minus 2 2s are 4. So write here 4 here. 5 minus 4 is 1. Outside minus is there. So minus of 1 is A32. Then A33. A33 is a plus here. 3 plus 3 is 6 even number. Take plus n into determinant of. Deleting the third row, third column here. 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. 2 3. So write here 2 3. Therefore this is equal to 3 ones are 3 here. So write here 3 minus 2 into minus 1 is a minus 2. So minus minus plus 2 here. 3 plus 2 becomes a 5. So this is a plus of 5. A33 is a cofactor of this element. These are all cofactors of elements of the matrix here. Then write the cofactor matrix here. So cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix of A is this is a matrix here. This is a remember it here. This is a matrix. So 3 minus 12 6. So 3 minus 12 plus 6 here. These three are what here? Cofactor of these three elements. 1 5 2 here. So 1 5 2. These are the cofactor of these three elements here. Then the minus 11 minus 1 plus 5. Minus 11 minus 1 plus 5. So these are the cofactor of these elements here. Therefore these are cofactor matrix here. Here we want adjoint of the matrix here. Therefore adjoint of the matrix. Adjoint of the matrix A is transpose of this matrix here. Transpose means 3 minus 12 6 right in the column here. So 3 minus 12 plus 6 here. 1 5 2. So 1 plus 5 plus 2 right in the column. Minus 11 minus 1 plus 5. Minus 11 minus 1 plus 5. So this becomes a adjoint of the matrix. Therefore, instead of writing this one, direct you can write this matrix also. Okay, it is not necessary to write this one here. Direct you can write here. So 3 minus 12, 6. Just write in the first column. 1, 5, 2. Okay, 1, 5, 2. Write in the second column. Then minus 11, minus 1 plus 5. Minus 11, minus 1 plus 5. Write in the third column. Then you will get the adjoint of the given matrix. Okay, this is a procedure to write the adjoint of the matrix here. This is a very important result here. Remember it here. Okay. Okay. Second example here. 1 minus 1 plus 2. 3 0 minus 2. 1 0 plus 3. This is a given matrix here. Find the adjoint of the matrix. Just take a previous example here. Take a given matrix as a A. A is equal to this one. Therefore, take here A11. A11 means a cofactor of this element. This is in the first row, first column here. Therefore, A11, 1 plus 1, 2, even number. So take here plus sign here. Take here plus sign. Then deleting the first row, first column. I am writing direct step down. Deleting the first row and first column. Deleting this first row and the first column here. These are the remaining elements. Okay. Then determinant of this one here. So direct expand it here. 0 into 3 becomes a 0. So write here 0. Minus. Minus 2 into 0 becomes a 0. This into this 0. These are 0 here. Is equal to 0. Okay. Then A12. A12 means cofactor of this element here. This is in the first row, second column here. So A12. 1 plus 2, 3 odd number. So write here minus sign here. So write here minus sign. Even you can remember this one also. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus here. For this element, take the plus sign here. Okay. For this element, write here minus sign. And for this element, write plus sign and so on here. Therefore, here A12 means a cofactor of this element here. So there is minus sign, so minus. Otherwise, sum of the suffixes is odd. Take here minus sign. Then deleting the first row and second column. Deleting the first row and the second column. Then these are the remaining elements. Okay. Then 3 into 3 becomes a 9 here. These are 9. So write here 9 minus. Minus 2 into 1 becomes a minus here. Okay, minus and minus plus 2 here. 9 plus 2 becomes 11. So minus of 11 here. Okay, minus 11. Then A13. A13 here. There, this is a cofactor of this element here. Okay. So plus sign is there. So take care plus sign. Otherwise 1 plus 3, 4. Even number, take care plus sign. Then deleting the first row, third column. Deleting this first row, third column. These are the remaining elements. Then 3 into 0 becomes a 0. This is a 0 minus. 0 into 1 becomes a 0. This is a 0 here. So this is equal to 0. A13 is a cofactor of this element. We have to find a cofactor of these elements here. Therefore, A21 here. Here 2, 1 means a minus sign. So write here minus. Otherwise, 2 plus 1, 3. Odd number, take here minus sign here. Then deleting second or first column. Deleting this second row and the first column here. Therefore, these are the remaining elements here. Okay. Minus 1 into 3 becomes a minus 3. So write here minus 3. Minus 1. 2 into 0 becomes a 0. It is a 0. Minus into minus becomes plus here. So it is a plus 3. Then A22. A22 here. A22 means a cofactor of this element. This is in the second row, second column here. Take here plus sign. So write here plus sign here. Otherwise 2 plus 2 4, even number, take care plus sign. Then deleting second and second column, deleting this second row and second column like this. Then the remaining elements 1 2 1 3. 1 into 3 becomes a 3. 1 into 3 is a 3 here. Minus 2 into 1 becomes a 2. So write it 2. 3 minus 2 becomes a 1 here. That is the 1. Next 8 to 3 here. 8 to 3. Okay. Therefore minus sign is there. So write here minus. Otherwise 2 plus 3 5 odd number, take care minus sign. Then deleting the second or third column, deleting this second row and a third column here like this. Okay. Then 1 into 0 becomes a 0. So write it 0. Minus 1 into 1 becomes a minus 1. Minus and this minus plus. So plus 1 here. Therefore 1 minus of 1 becomes a minus 1. Minus into plus minus, so minus 1. These are the cofactor of these three elements. Need to find the cofactor of these elements here. So A3 and 1 here. A3 1. A3 1. Take care plus n. Plus n here. Deleting this third row and first column here. Minus 1 into minus 2. Minus into minus plus. Plus 2 minus 2 into 0 becomes a 0, it is a 0 here. Therefore, this is a plus 2. Then A32. A32. So, take your minus sign. Minus here. Or 3 plus 2, 5. Odd number, take your minus sign. Deleting the third row, second column here. Deleting this third row and second column. Okay, like this. Okay. Then 1 into minus 2 becomes a minus here. So minus of 2 minus 2 3s are 6 here. 2 into 3 becomes a 6 right here 6 here. Minus 2 minus 6 minus 8 outside one more minus is there. Minus into minus becomes plus here. So plus 8. Then A33. A33 here. 3 plus 3 6 Even number, take care plus n or this plus here. Then deleting third row and the third column here. These are the remaining elements. 1 into 0 becomes a 0. Minus 1 into 3 is a minus 3 here. Minus and this minus plus. Plus 3. That is equal to plus 3. Okay, these are all the cofactors here. Therefore, cofactor matrix here. Cofactor matrix of A is okay. In this case 0 minus 11 0. So 0 minus 11 0. So these are the cofactor of these three elements here. 3 1 minus 1. So 3 1 minus 1. So these three are cofactor of these three elements here. Then 2 8 3. So 2 8 plus 3. These three are cofactor of these three elements here. So this becomes a cofactor matrix here. Then adjoint means transpose of the cofactor matrix here. Transpose of the cofactor. Therefore 0 minus 11 0. Write in the column 0 minus 11 0. Then 3 1 minus 1. So 3 1 minus 1. Then 2 8 3. So 2 8 and 3 here. So this becomes adjoint of the matrix here. Okay, and this is not necessary to write this one. Directly can write this matrix here. So just observe here. 0 minus 7 0 right in the first column here. Then 3 1 minus 1. 3 1 minus 1 right in the second column. Then 2 8 3. 2 8 3 right in the third column. Then that becomes adjoint of the matrix here. Okay. So method is very important here. So remember it here.